Hello students. Today, before starting our video, we have to discuss. We had discussed in last video about the participation or separation of the chapter development. We had separated, and the first separation was called as the what development promises. Different people, different goals. On that basis, we had practiced some of the MCQ, some of the questions, and I think you are happy with that. Then next we are going to next topic we are going to take, that is income and other goals. In income and other goals, as we have for the development of people, there is the first criteria is income, and there are other goals are also. Before that, before thinking of income, they think of about the security, freedom, equal treatment, no discrimination, respect. All these are comes under the other goals of any people of India. Okay, so for that I have prepared some questions on that basis, on that topic. Okay, the first question is, money cannot buy all the goods and services that we may need to have a good life. Okay, money is not a full sufficient for any person to have a good life or anything else that other things we need. Only the money cannot buy. A list of things required for a good life is given below. Which among the following are the things money cannot buy? See, full protection from infectious disease. Okay, full protection from infectious disease. Next is high quality of education, a luxury life, pollution free atmosphere in every part of the country. See how many questions are here. I have told you that some of the matching questions, all these will come, and how the questions. So that is why I have prepared this question as per the matching. Here two options are correct, or maybe three options are correct. Which are the two? The first and second is correct. High quality of education, full protection. High quality of education can be attained only by the money only. Okay. Full protection from infectious disease is it cannot be secure or acquired by only money, because all the infectious disease, whatever money you have, but you can't be safe with if you have a lot of money, then you can't be safe. Like in coronavirus, we are not able to save ourselves with the money. It's not easy. Okay, then luxury home, it is possible. It is only possible because of the money only. A pollution free atmosphere. I am going to tell you that money can buy only your personal things. Money cannot buy the societal things. Societal things, the whole whole society or whole country or whole state is involved. There we cannot buy the things, whatever the things they need by the money. In this part, only here first and fourth means full protection from infectious disease and a pollution free atmospheric fear in every part of the country is cannot buy money. Money cannot buy these two things. Let me tell you about this. Okay, this D answer is correct. Okay. Now, next second question. What brings about not a stable income? Not a stable income. Here. Not. Okay, not a stable income, that is seasonal. Work opportunity makes you to get a stable income. Stable means बराबर इनकम लगातार मिलती रहे. वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी, ऑल एवर इफ यू गेट द वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी you will get the stable income. Regular work, always you will get the stable income. Then decent price for their crops, if they will get the decent price, this is also can be option, can be corrected option for other products na. For the crops or other products, if you get the decent price, some of the time it does not bring stable income, then also we can't correct it. Here the first option is more appropriate. You have to see if the answer you are seeing that two answers are matching together, but the most appropriate answer can be matched only, that is seasonal employment. Seasonal employment is the correct answer. Then besides seeking more income, there is something people resent. Okay, besides seeking more income, there is something people resent. Resent means resist. Here resent means resist मतलब मना करते हैं. Okay, what is it? Means beside this income or money, there is something people resent, वो मना करते हैं. क्या? Getting fewer wages for more work, discrimination, no work. Okay, all the above. Getting fewer wages for more work, the people will not mind it, or they will be not in the favor of the getting fewer wages, कम wages पाना और more work you have to do. Then discrimination, no one will like the discrimination. No work, no people will like the no work. Then all the above. Here the answer will be all the above. More income means, what does mean by more income? More income means they बहुत सारा money ना. No, average out of needs of people. If the need is very less, then more than that. Average. Okay. More of all economical things that human beings, whatever the things they need, more than that human economical things. Okay, whatever the things we buy the money, that the things, no effect on the common man, more satisfaction. More income means more on all the more of all economic things that human beings buy. The next question is, select two non-material benefits. See, material benefits which increase the welfare of the population. You have to select two non-material means whatever the things we buy, the things bought by the money are called the material benefits which increase the welfare of the population. House and car, medical insurance, freedom and opportunity, dignity and high income. See, the welfare of the population means which increase the benefit of non-material, means whatever the things we buy or we get, that is non-material. House and car we can buy it, these are the materials bought by the money. Medical insurance, they are also bought by the money. Dignity and high income, dignity is also not only by the money. High income is due to the income only. Freedom and opportunity and dignity. But here we cannot correct only the dignity, because in dignity we have written high income. That is why we will write the correct option, freedom and opportunity. Okay, sorry. Freedom and opportunities. Okay, the one question I am going to tell you about the assertion and reasoning. Okay, assertion is given and there is reasoning given behind this assertion. People not only think of better income but also have goals such as security, respect for other goal, equal treatment. They want equal treatment, freedom, etc. in mind. That means money cannot buy everything. Is it? So here the options are given. No? It is very correct that people not only think of better income, all people, everyone in this world or in surrounding us, all people do not like only to get the income but also have goals such as security, respect for other, equal treatment, freedom, etc. in mind. There are reasons behind it. Money cannot buy everything. The first first option is both. A and R means assertion and reason are true. R is correct explanation of A. Then both A and R are true. Then also they are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Is it? No. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. But here automatically you can give the answer the A1. Now it's very easy to get the answer A1. So here I am going to complete your today's video. Thank you very much.